Hey Jewel, so today I am going to do a super cute twist out. So the whole goal is to have my twist out very stretched. So when I go to unravel it, I'll have that length and definition that I desire. So that's what I am going to do. But first, I'm going to start off by washing this dirty hair. Yes, it is dirty. It is time for a wash. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is just section my hair off and detangle it and prepare for wash day. Stay tuned. Hi, I am back and I am going to detangle my hair. My hair usually stays in with the part down the middle because it's so easy for me to manage my hair. So I just have that hair already sectioned off. So when it's time for wash day, I just go back and find the parts that I have established prior to my wash day. So I just separate the hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to section each piece up with the clip. So now I am sectioned up and ready for wash day. So what I'm going to do now is just go through and detangle each section. Mist my hair and detangle it with my detangling brush. So now that I have I've gotten my spray bottle with water with my detangling brush, I'm going to go in and mist this section. Y'all see my hair is moisturized. Y'all see my hair? This is real. There's no filter. This is no joke. Do you see my hair? Do you see how moisturized my hair is? If you could touch it, you would be like, your hair is really soft. My hair is soft and moisturized because I found what works for me. My hair is so soft and moisturized. Look how easy my hair just splits apart. When your hair is moisturized and soft and palatable, that's when your hair is easily able to be manipulated and not have as much breakage or no breakage at all, just depending on the state of your hair. But when your hair is healthy and it is balanced, your hair, it will be soft and moisturized. And my hair is balanced, y'all. I am so happy. I love when my hair is balanced because you can see it. You can see that the hair is balanced, the hair is soft, the hair is supple, and it's moisturized. Like, you see it. You see it. You see it. My hair has been up in these it was flat twist. My hair was in flat twist for 2 weeks. My hair was in flat twist for 2 weeks. And what I did was just take it down and re-moisturize. And that's what I do for my regimen. I will wash my hair and style it for that week, and I'll go in between when I need moisture for my hair, and I'll use an oil. I'll use my oil. I use my hair oil, and sometimes I apply it to my scalp, and I put it on my ends and my hair as well. But why you see my hair, this is after 2 weeks. I've moisturized my hair one time. I went in after wash day and moisturized my hair one time. And look how moisturized my hair is. I owe this to my hair oil. My hair oil is the truth. I'm not just saying that. I know people be really saying that and it ain't, and a product ain't really what that is, but my product is the truth. You can see it. You can see it for yourself. It's soft. It is soft. It's so hard to describe. It's really soft. You can see it's not greasy. It doesn't leave a residue on your hair. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. All right, y'all. All right, Jules. So we have it washed. Look at your girl back to life. It's back, honey. It's so soft. It's soft. So now I am about to go in and detangle my hair. Adding some leave-in conditioner. Starting on my ends. And working my way up. Now, my hair absorbs water fast because my hair is porous. I would say it's medium porosity. I wouldn't say it's high porosity. I would say it's a medium porosity. It's still damp, but it's just that I want it a little more wet. Not dripping wet, but just a little more wet, so when I apply that product, it glides through. Once I detangle, then I am going to go in and section the hair off or part the hair off for the flat twist. And once I do that, I'm going to flat twist, and then I'm going to apply the oil in my hair before I actually start twisting. So now that I have that one section detangled, I'm going to go in and apply the oil. I give it just a couple of drops. I give it a couple of drops per section. Start on my ends and work my way up the strand. Going in and applying it to my scalp and through the strands. One section down, 3 more to go. So I have this section already, and so I'm going to go in with my brush. I just used my little brush. This is really a manicure brush, y'all. But when I was in cosmetology school years ago, I turned this into my edge brush. So I just go through and just pretty much smooth the hair. That's all I do. I do not run this through my whole head. I just go to smooth the hair. As you can see, it's just smoothing the hair. I do it on my roots. Now I am going in and starting the flat twisting process. Pretty brown skin, pretty light skin, pretty dark skin. I see African written in your DNA. Hello, chocolate. Hey, that's my song. Have y'all heard that song? Pretty Brown Skin by Eugene King. OMG, y'all, that is my song. That's my anthem. That's my song of the year. That's my black girl anthem song. That's it. Because he said what he said, and that's that. That's my song. So you're going to do this to your whole head. Look how shiny. Look at that. Look how clean and shiny that is. Yes. Clean and shiny. And I'm going to go back in later. So what I want to do, y'all, I'm feeling a little special today. So I want to add a little curl on the end of my hair. Don't you hate when you get into your roller bag and they miss in the top part? Oh, I hate that. And then you got to scrounge through the whole bag to find out where that little piece at so you can kind of hook it back on there and click it together. I hate that. Oh my goodness, what happened? My baby probably got in here and pulled all my pieces off, knowing him. But anyway, we are moving forward. So I got my roller paper, and I'm going to add a little more oil to the ends of my hair. Just a little drop for the ends of my hair. And I'm gonna rub it up, rub the oil up the strand of the hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the roller paper. Slide it to the ends of the hair. And then I'm just going to get it and roll it in a uh, in a spiral direction. Just on the ends. We have one. So I'm going to do that to all of my flat twists. And then I'm going to actually go in, y'all, and clip my twist so they dry elongated. Okay, so you see I have the clips. My clips on there. So what I did was go in the direction that I twist. And I just applied the clips to there to keep my hair, to keep the twist tight. So when I go to unravel, it will be very defined. Anyway, I am done. As you can see, just spray a little water right here in the crown. And then I'm going to get my manicure brush right here. And just brush it down. This is all of it's brushed down. Look. It's lurking in the back. Look at it. It's done. It's done. I just have to take the rollers off. It's done. Oh, y'all, I get to be footloose and fancy free tonight. Look at that. Come on now, get stuff. Bam! I have to do that for everyone. I have to do that for everyone that I unravel. Bam! So far, so good. Making our way to the front. Here it is. This is a twist out on natural hair. If I wanted to, I could pin it like this. If I wanted to. That's what I'll do.
So here is the finished results. I just went through and just put one bobby pin across there. Thanks for watching. Bye.
How come doctors have to talk about this?
And you do this yourself? And it's right in the palm of your hand. This is an acupressure technique. So let me just start with one. I'll start with this one. So you can do